So you want to know how to create a neon text like this? Very good. I will show you, in my opinion, the easiest way to do this using Cinema4D and Redshift. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in this front view and I'm gonna search for this sketch tool and I'm gonna write my words here. In my case, it's send nodes because, you know, it's a very funny joke. But you can write whatever you want. You know, you can write cucumbers, your mother's name, Bitcoin, whatever. I will deselect this spline and this way it will create another spline. And I will write nodes. And the reason for that is because I want to apply different materials to these words. One will be red and one will be blue. Now I can select both of these, add this Redshift object tag, and change this to capsules. Now I can create a Redshift incandescent material. I can add this to the first spline and click this render view, and as you can see, the first word is already visible. I will change this to blue and this intensity multiplier to 25. Now I will duplicate this material. I will change this to red and apply this to the second word. Now I can duplicate both of these splines, delete these materials, create another material here, choose glass, change reflection to something like 0.5 and add this to both of these splines. And if I go in this Redshift object tag again and change the thickness to 6, now if I zoom in here, you can see that there's this second layer over here which make this text look like it's kind of a neon light in a tube, glass tube. And that's the basic idea. You can even take these splines and you can go in this point mode and you can search for spline smooth and change the, no, spline smooth, yeah. And you can change the strength to 25. I had already changed this. So now if you kind of smooth these splines out, you will see that this gives this a more natural look, because in real life there's very rarely situations where things like align perfectly. And that's it. If you like this video, watch more of my videos.